So in this session, I will continue with exercise number 5A with question number 31. So 29 and 30 is homework. Since the last session I did the same method you have to follow for the two questions. Now 31 question is root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Procedure is same. So what you have to do? First we have to multiply these two. So root 3x square into 6 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 whole square. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. What happens? Square and root cancels. Correct? Only 3 remains. Okay? Root 3 into root 3, 3. Into 6 x square. That is 18x square. This becomes 18x square. So root 3 into root 3, 3 into 6 is equal to x square, that is 18x square. Now you have to find a number such that if you multiply you should get 18, if you add or subtract you should get 11. So that is nothing but 9x 2x. 9 plus 2, 11. So root 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0. Split into two parts. What is the common here? So I will take root 3x as common here. So what remains? X remains. Plus here 3 root 3 remains. Why? If you multiply root 3 into root 3, it becomes 3. And 3 into 3, 9. Correct? Root 3 into root 3, 3. Because root 3 whole square, square and root cancels, 3 remains. So 3 root 3. Plus here 2 common, x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. So root 3x plus 2 is one factor. X plus 3 root 3 is another factor is equal to 0. Either root 3 plus root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0 or root 3x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 2 by root 3 or x plus is equal to minus 3 root 3 or x is equal to minus 3 root 3. Now here, so root 3 is in the denominator, we have to rationalize the denominator. That means x is equal to minus 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. You have to multiply and divide the root 3 in the numerator and denominator. So what happens here? Minus 2 root 3 by 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. So one is, so therefore this implies solution set is 2 root 3 by 3 comma minus 3 root 3. So this is the solution set for that question. So note down that. So 30-second sum I am giving as homework. You practice it in home. I am doing 33. X square minus root of 1 plus root 2x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So same procedure you have to follow. First and third you have to multiply. So what is the product? Root 2x square. Split into two parts. So that is what we can split here. X into root 2x, correct? Root 2x into x, root 2x square. So what we can do is minus. So minus x into minus root 2x. So x square minus x minus root 2x plus root 2. If you combine these two, you get the same answer. How? So minus x plus minus x minus root 2x. So minus common x plus root 2x. Correct? So if you subtract minus x minus root 2x, minus will be common, x plus root 2. Not x plus root 2, it becomes 1. 1 plus root 2 because x is also common. X is outside. So what happens? Minus common 1 plus root 2, x outside. X is also common. Okay? Same method you will get. Now split it into two parts. X common, x minus 1 minus root 2 common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is one factor, x minus root 2 is another factor. Either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to root 2. So therefore solution set is 1 comma root 2. Root 2. So this is the answer for that. So note down this sum. So 34th question, x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 7 by 2x minus 5. So first thing is you have to bring into standard form. Ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then go for factorization. So cross multiplication, x plus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 1 into 3x minus 7. Multiply. X into 2x, 2x square, x into minus 5, minus 5x, 2x into 1, 2x, plus into minus, minus 5 and 5. X into 3x, 3x square, x into minus 7, minus 7x, minus 1 into 3x, minus 3x, minus into minus plus 7. So 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 7. So 2x square or 3x square minus 2x square, correct? Minus 10x plus 3x plus 7 minus 5, that becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. This is x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We got the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. So remaining part, find the roots. It is your homework. You have to find out. Note on this. So find out the roots of this equation. Okay? Already we did so many sums based on that. So using that idea, you can find out the roots of this equation. Okay? So note on this. So, 5th question I am giving as homework, and I am going for 36th question. Okay? 5 by 2x plus 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 is equal to 3. So now we have to take the LCM for this. LHS. 2x plus 1, x plus 1. What remains? 5 into x plus 1 plus 6 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. Correct? Multiply. 5x plus 5 plus 6 to the 12x plus 6 by 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is 12 plus 5, 17. X plus 6 plus 5, 11 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1, x plus 1. So 17x plus 11 is equal to, so multiply this. So I will multiply here 2x plus 1, x plus 1. 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. That is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So multiplied by 3. 3 to the 6x square plus 9x plus 3. So I write here 6x square plus 9x plus 3. So 6x square plus 9x minus 17x. This will go to the RHS, transpose to RHS, plus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. So 6x square, so 17 minus 9, 8. So 17 minus 9 is 8x. So 11 minus 3, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 6 8 42, 48. 48 x square is minus sign. You have to find out the two numbers. 12 4 is 48. 12 4 minus 12 plus 4. Correct? 6x square minus 12x plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. 6x common, x minus 2 plus 4 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is one factor, 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 another factor, x is equal to 2 or 6x is equal to minus 4. This implies x is equal to minus 4 by 6, 2 2s, 2 3s, that is minus 2 by 3. So what is solution set? Solution set is equal to 2 comma minus 2 by 3. This is the solution set for this question. So note all this sum. By this I will end up this session. So next class I will start with question number 37. Thank you.